doing a different approach to the woodshed here. Today we're gonna try and get the roof off of it. Mike's got the Sawzall going in there. He is just cutting the nails that are holding the 2x4s to the posts. It's all connected, so we're kind of hoping that everywhere the 2x4s touch the trees, we can just cut the nails and then the roof will come right off. Yeah, right?
Sure.
It's gonna go just like that.
We're gonna have to figure something out because it's probably not really gonna be leaning on the wall that we're cutting the roof off of.
Ooh, yeah. That's a good idea.
We'll figure something.
Yeah. We were brainstorming. It's a good little woodshed, and at the very least, we want to at least be able to take all the lumber from it. It's in good shape. Another nice day. What do you think, Judd? He approves.
So Liz and I actually successfully got the roof off. Look at this. Look at this. It's all wide open.
These walls are in good condition, so we're gonna take those down.
Yep, we'll probably cut the nails off of these walls and take the walls all in pieces too. Look at it. I know, what do you think?
I like it.
Let's go check out the roof that somehow didn't fall apart when we pulled it. It's built really good. Pulled it right onto the trailer, so we'll back up to the trailer and move the trailer, then situate this piece. Good thing we don't have very far to go.
I know. Right
Yeah.
down the road.
Just down the road.
Do it bright and early.
Luckily. So that was cool. That little backhoe did good.
Yeah.
We did good.
You did good.
Yeah. Woohoo. Liz and I got the whole woodshed out of the way here. Just cleaning up the rest of it. It's gone. You can see its old footprint barely. I got it all pieced apart, stacked on the trailer. So probably early morning, we'll run it down the road. There's no traffic. We don't have to go very far, but it'll be good. And we'll get this thing up there and set it back up. you get done today?
Got done a lot.
We did get a lot done.
Got a woodshed all the way taken down.
On the trailer.
Yeah, it was
Packed.
cool. So we're hoping we can reassemble it, more or less.
Not strapped down.
Not strapped down.
Not gonna
but
strap it down.
We're not going far.
Live
so.
life on the edge like that.
Yeah, it'll be fine. It's
Yep.
all heavy, so.
It'll be good.
Right, June.
And we got some of the fence taken down.
Yeah.
And T-posts pulled.
We're gonna put up a chicken coop. Just kind of trying to get ahead of the game. We want there to be a little fence for when we move the chickens there, so they have like a little zone to go into.
Yeah. There's Zenden.
Yep. Got that thing in the septic taken out. Right?
Yeah, we took out the riser for the tank.
Yeah.
Those are expensive. Those are really expensive. That's why we're taking it. Look at that thing. It's not even 2 feet tall.
Yeah.
It's almost $500 for the riser and lid.
Took the garden apart.
We took the garden apart. We took all the posts. We'll repurpose that into our new garden perimeter.
Yep.
It was a good day.
It was a good day.
It's a productive day.
So tomorrow we'll do it all again.
Mm-hmm. You can still be productive if you socially distance yourself from people.
Yeah, probably more productive, really.
Probably more productive, really.
Because we're doing our best to just stay home and get stuff done.
And it's a beautiful day.
Oh my gosh, so nice. The wind calmed down.
The wind finally calmed down. It looks like we have weather later this week, though.
Snow again.
I know. Oh well. This is Idaho, and the weather is unpredictable.
Yeah. Thanks for watching our videos, and make sure you like and subscribe.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. Do it. Do it now.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.